Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an archive folder in Outlook. This is a great way to keep your inbox organized by moving older emails into a separate folder, freeing up space and making it easier to find what you need. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. You'll need to wait a moment for all your emails to fully load before proceeding. This ensures that Outlook can properly access all the folders and settings you'll need for the archiving process. Once your emails have loaded, head to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are displayed. Click on File to open the menu. This is where Outlook keeps most of its important settings and configurations, including the archiving features we need. When the File menu opens, direct your attention to the right side panel. You'll see a section labeled Mailbox Settings. Look for the Tools drop-down option and click on it. An expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this list, click on Clean Up Old Items. This is the feature that allows you to archive emails based on their age, helping you maintain a clutter-free inbox over time. An archive window will now appear on your screen. This is where you'll configure exactly how and where you want your emails archived. First, select the folder that you wish to archive from the available options. This could be your inbox, sent items, or any other folder containing emails you want to move. Next, look for the Date drop-down menu. Here, you'll select the start date of your archive process. This tells Outlook to archive all emails older than the date you choose, giving you precise control over what gets moved. Now comes the important part, creating the actual archive folder. Click on the Browse link. A File Explorer window will appear, showing you where Outlook typically stores its data files. To create a new destination folder for your archived emails, right-click anywhere in the File Explorer window. A context menu will pop up. Hover your cursor over New, and from the submenu that appears, select Folder. This creates a brand new folder that will serve as the destination for all your archived emails. Once you've created your new folder, click on OK to confirm your selection and proceed with the archiving process. Outlook will now begin moving your older emails into this new archive folder based on the settings you configured. And that's it. You've successfully created an archive folder in Outlook and set up the process to keep your mailbox organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.